Assalamu alaikum Moroccan family. Today we are going to bake an amazing fluffy New York cheesecake that's rich, creamy and absolutely delicious. To start with crushing 400 grams of tea biscuits using grinder or rolling pin. You can use any tea biscuits of your choice. The crushed biscuits should look like this. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt and 100 grams of melted butter to the crushed biscuits. Mix everything well until the mixture starts to resemble wet sand. Place the mixture in the mold and spread it evenly to form the base. Then place it in the preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 10 minutes. Keep checking to ensure it doesn't overbake. For the topping, in a separate bowl, add 600 grams of creamy cheese, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Whisk it well, then add 150 grams of sugar. Next, add 4 eggs, one at a time, whisking after each addition until the batter becomes smooth. Then pour the batter onto the pre-baked base and spread it evenly. Then wrap aluminum foil around the mold to prevent any leaks. Place the mold in a separate pot filled with hot water. Then put the pot in the preheated oven. Bake at 180 Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes. After baking, let the cheesecake cool to room temperature. Then refrigerate for at least 5 hours before serving. If you like our recipe, hit the like button, leave a comment, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more updates. Happy cooking, enjoy your treat, and see you next time.